Okay, so we will answer this one. What is the y-intercept of 3x minus 12y equals 6? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, kopyahan natin si negative 12y, si 3x, i-transpose natin sa right side, so magiging negative 3x. So from positive 3x, magiging negative 3x, then kopyahan natin yung plus 6. And then, i-divide natin both members of the equation by negative 12. Okay? So, dapat both members of the equation. Cancel natin yan. So, y equals negative 3 divide by negative 12. So, this is positive 1/4. Tapos, x. Then, negative 6. Divide natin, positive 6 divide natin kay negative 12. That is negative 1/2. Ba't naging negative? Kasi positive divide by negative, that is negative. Divide natin si 6. Divide yan by 6. So, magiging 1/2. So, therefore, since hinahanap natin yung y-intercept, the correct answer is negative 1/2, letter D.